Hello and welcome to Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. The federal government has announced a $1.1 billion TAFE package at the Jobs and Skills Summit this week. The package will fund 180,000 fee-free TAFE places in 2023. The costs will be shared between the Commonwealth, states and territory governments. There seems to be plenty of goodwill between federal, state and territory governments right now. Last week, building ministers agreed to raise the minimum energy efficiency standards for new homes and apartments by updating the National Construction Code. This means energy efficiency requirements for new homes will increase from 6 to 7 stars under the nationwide House Energy Rating Scheme. The changes will come into effect on the 1st of October in 2023. Daikin is investing $230 million in another air conditioning factory in China. It will begin operations in October 2024. Daikin will also build a new research and development centre in China, which will also be completed next year. Trane Technologies has signed an agreement to purchase Elco Air technology. Elco Air is based in Germany and manufactures air handling units and extraction systems. Some 800 Elco Air employees will join Trane once the deal is finalised at the end of the year. Okay, in product news, Honeywell has launched Fire-Lite, a suite of fire protection systems specifically for the Australian market. The products are suitable for small to medium-sized buildings and features technology that was previously only available to high-end applications. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.